Hello and welcome to Pharmaguideline, your trusted source for everything GMP, compliance, and regulatory excellence. Today, we are going to talk about a critical and sometimes nerve-wracking situation. How to manage an unannounced FDA inspection. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to stay calm, organized, and inspection-ready anytime. Why does the FDA conduct unannounced inspections? The FDA can conduct unannounced inspections for several reasons. Routine surveillance inspections. Follow up on a previous 483 observation or warning letter. Response to product complaints or adverse events. Whistleblower reports or media findings. In all cases, your preparedness determines the outcome. Immediate actions when inspectors arrive. The moment inspectors arrive at your reception or security desk, the following steps must happen immediately. Politely greet the inspectors. Review their credentials, FDA-issued badge and Form 482, Notice of Inspection. Inform the site's inspection readiness team or senior QA manager. Escort the inspectors to a designated inspection room, not directly into production areas. Always have a FDA response SOP outlining these first steps clearly for all security and reception personnel. Assigning the right inspection team. Successful inspections rely on teamwork. Assign key roles in advance. Inspection coordinator. He manages logistics and overall control. Document retrieval team. They quickly access the requested documents. Subject matter experts. They answer questions on processes, equipment, and quality systems. Note taker. He records all inspector questions, company responses, and document requests. Runner. He communicates between the inspection room and the back office. Only subject matter experts should directly answer questions. Everyone else should stay professional, concise, and defer when unsure. How to present documents and information. The FDA's focus is always on data integrity, GMP practices, and truthfulness. When providing documents, only give documents requested, don't volunteer extra information. Provide controlled copies, stamped or marked as copy provided to FDA. Always review documents internally first to ensure completeness and accuracy. Track every document shared in a document control log. Prepare a pre-reviewed document binder with key policies like change control, deviation management, CAPA, and training to save time. Best practices during interviews and facility tours. When inspectors interview staff or tour facilities, only answer what is asked, be truthful but concise. If you don't know the answer, say, "Let me verify and get back to you." Follow inspectors wherever they go, never leave them unattended. Clean and organized areas build confidence in compliance. Avoid panicking or oversharing information. Stick to facts, not opinions. Handling observations during inspection. If inspectors point out potential issues, remember. Stay calm and attentive. Listen without arguing. Take immediate corrective actions if appropriate, like labeling corrections and housekeeping. Document all observations internally for immediate response preparation. End-of-day summaries with the inspection team help align on any emerging risks. Managing the end of the inspection. At the conclusion, the FDA inspector will hold a closeout meeting. At this meeting, expect a discussion of any observations. If a Form 483 is issued, review each item carefully. Clarify any misunderstandings politely. Do not argue but note your explanations for the formal written response later. After the inspection, Begin root cause investigations immediately. Prepare a timely, thorough, and well-documented response if a 483 was issued. Commit to realistic and measurable corrective and preventive actions. An unannounced FDA inspection isn't a crisis if you are always ready. Remember these pillars of readiness. Trained, confident personnel. Organized, real-time documentation. Clear communication pathways. Honest, accurate, and timely responses. Preparedness isn't just for inspections, it's a part of everyday GMP compliance. Found this guide useful? Like, share, and subscribe to Pharmaguideline for more professional insights on GMP, compliance, and regulatory affairs. And comment below, what's your biggest concern during inspections? Let's discuss and learn together. Join channel membership to get member-specific videos and courses.